In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana tasks to Google Sheets. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video so you never miss out on helpful how-tos like this one. Now let's get started. First, you want to head over to the Asana website. Once you're there, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click that to access your workspace. If you've linked your Google account to your Asana profile, this will make things even easier. Simply select the Continue with Google option, and you'll be signed in no time. Once you're logged in, it's time to find the specific project that contains the tasks you want to export. You can easily browse through your projects from the dashboard or using the sidebar, depending on how your workspace is set up. When you find your project, click on it to open it up. Now, look towards the top of your project workspace. You'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Project Actions. Click on that to reveal several options. Among those, you should see a choice that says Sync and Export. When you hover over this option, a secondary menu with integration choices will pop up. From that menu, select the Sync to Google Sheets option. This action will initiate the data connection process between Asana and Google Sheets. This is an essential step because it allows you to pull your task data directly into a spreadsheet format. As Asana processes your request, a special link will be generated. This link acts as a bridge to your data, and you'll need it for the next part of our task. Make sure to copy this link to your clipboard so you can easily use it in Google Sheets. Next, let's switch gears and open a new or existing Google Sheets spreadsheet in a different browser tab. This is where the magic happens. Once your Google Sheet is open, locate an empty cell where you'd like to import your Asana task data. Click on that cell, and then paste the link you just copied from Asana. What happens next is quite fascinating. After you paste the link, Google Sheets will start pulling your Asana tasks into the spreadsheet. You may need to give it a moment to gather all the data, so be patient. Once the task data is in the sheet, you'll see all your Asana information formatted into rows and columns. You can then adjust the structure or layout to suit your needs, just like you would with any standard spreadsheet. A quick tip here: to keep your spreadsheet updated with the latest project data, make sure to refresh the sheet periodically. This will ensure that any changes made in Asana will reflect accordingly in your Google Sheets. And there you go. Just like that, you've exported your Asana tasks to Google Sheets. Take a moment to check your result now and make sure everything is looking good. If you have any questions or run into any issues along the way, feel free to drop a comment below. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. Happy